Hello guys, I'm Marco. Today we will analyze a very ambitious project which is called Profit BLS. But before the video starts, a small disclaimer. Everything you will hear in this video is not financial advice. Before making a decision about investing in a particular project, always conduct your own research. This is the only way you can save and increase your capital. Guys, I know how much you love it and review some project in the early stage, and the Profit BLS project suits us perfectly. After all, the listing took place quite recently. At the moment, the token has almost 2,000 holders, and the team plans to launch a large-scale marketing campaign very soon. Therefore, you need to have time to buy at a favorable rate. Probably there will never be such a price as today. But first, let's analyze the project itself. Profit BLS is a token that is geared towards the exchange development exchange on the blockchain, which brings in its contract reflection functions that allows your users to be rewarded through the holding. Profit BLS mission is to create the best environment economic in a virtualized world, optimizing community-owned assets for use maximum and sharing these profits with the holders of our token. Decentralized financing, which uses technologies for removing intermediaries, banks from financial markets, and intermediary institutions, is a complicated and bureaucratic system to enter. The purpose of Profit BLS is to make it simple enough so that even the one with the least knowledge can start earning passive income without having to understand the complicated world of DeFi. The first step to achieve this goal was to create the Profit token. This is a reflection token innovative, which pays dividends on a token already established rather than own. Project dividends are paid in BUSD, the main BSC market table. The next step will be to create apps that bring easy and practicality to the day-to-day for all those who seek knowledge and improvement in the market until reaching main objective, that will be not exchange. The rate of adoption of cryptography in the world is growing, but the percentage of user of world population is still very small. Team are developing apps that are clean, clear and simple to use. These apps tend to revolutionize the DeFi space and promote the adoption of more secure, easier and rewarding. Once the apps are released, Team will continue to add features to enable even more people and give them control over their financial situations. Tokenomics. There is a 14% buy and sell fee. It's an anti-whale system that avoids wallets with large percent of the supply, bringing more security also to the small investor. Sometimes our tokenomics may change in response to the conditions of the marketplace. The token contract employs a system of static rewards. The 14% purchase tax is divided as follows: 8% is redistributed in BUSD to holders, 2% is used to feed the liquidity pool, 4% is allocated to the marketing portfolio. Dividends distribution profit. The dividend mechanism encourages holders of tokens to retain to earn dividends from transactions, buying and selling. Dividends don't depend on profit's price. They are based purely on volume and proportional to the amount of profit you keep in your wallet. Token distribution. Total supply 200 million. Pre-sale 55%. Liquidity 38.5%. Team 3.25%. Marketing 3.25%. What is also very important to mention is that the team has a docs team, which is an indicator of the security of the project, and that the team will definitely develop the project, which will have a very positive impact on project itself. The project also has its own roadmap. Regular viewers of my channel know how important it's for me to have a roadmap. I also really appreciate detailed roadmaps. This usually indicates a great professionalism of the team, that the team has a clear plan for the development of its project, and he knows exactly what needs to be done in order to bring him to the moon. But what is more important is that the team clearly follows the roadmap. If it's not there, then it doesn't make any sense. The Profit BLS project is doing fine with this. I personally checked how they went step by step on the roadmap, and indeed they don't deviate from the set piece by a single step. And this means that the project is likely to be a great success. I would like to believe that. At the moment, this project has almost 2,000 holders, which means that we are early birds. As I said earlier, it's definitely not too late to invest in this project, especially considering the huge discount at which you can buy tokens right now. You can communicate with the team yourself in an absolutely free and friendly way in the Telegram community. The team is always happy to answer any of your questions and share plans for the development of the project, including marketing plans. There are certainly 1,500 participants in the Telegram chat of the project, and the chat itself is a super active. I'm sure that even people who are not related to the team will be happy to answer our questions when we join this wonderful community. Guys, this was a review of the Profit BLS project, and let me remind you that before you get to this channel, the projects are checked by me personally. And if the project doesn't end safe, which can give us good and stable access, then it turns to be here. However, don't forget to do your own research before making a decision about investing in a particular project. This is the only way you can save and decrease your capital. That's it, guys, and I continue to look for new cool project for you and me, which we can go early and make good and stable access. Bye bye to everyone, guys.